Well, hi there, my friend, and welcome. My name is Errol, the owner and founder of EmpireDigest.com. The reason you are seeing this video is because you probably searched how to start a done-for-you digital business. You are in the right place. Now, I know you are looking for a way to make extra income without spending years and months trying to learn technical code, trying to learn this whole online business thing, and without trying to build something from scratch. And what we're going to do now is we are going to jump right into the facts. But before you do, I want to show you what is actually possible when you stop trying to do everything yourself. Look at this result on your screen from Kristina. She made $1,900 in the first 24 hours while on vacation, my friend, while she was actually at the beach with her family. She didn't have a job, no online experience, and she was a college dropout. This isn't luck. It's to show you what happens when you plug into a system that's already built for you. Now, if she can do it while hanging out at the coast, what could you do with a system like this in your corner? I want to help you get moving today, so I'm giving you my free Freedom Formula Blueprint. This includes the full PDF guide and the video training that shows you exactly how to leverage this model. If I was selling this separately, the market price would easily be $997 or more. And honestly, people pay way more for this kind of info, my friend. But because you are here right now watching this video, I'm handing it to you for completely free. You'll see why in just a second. Now, if you want to grab your free blueprint right now, what you can do is go to the very first link in the description below. Go ahead and open it in a new tab, but make sure you stick with me right up until the end of this video. I'm going to show you how to actually use it so that you don't end up with another file just sitting on your computer. You need to know how to deploy this correctly if you want real results. Make sense? Now, I wasn't always doing this. I grew up as one of 5 kids packed into a tiny 3-bedroom house. I spent my entire childhood watching other families go on vacation, ride motorcycles, and go boating, all from the sidelines, my friend. When I became a dad, I was in that same loop. Overworked, I was burned out, and I was staring at bills at midnight. I refused to let my family down. And that is exactly why I built Empire Digest. My mission is to slice through all the guru noise and give you the simple, digested blueprint you need to build your own empire online. And before we continue, I really want to connect with you and I really want to hear from you. So if you can, if you don't mind, in the comments below right now, tell me what is the number one thing that stopped you from starting an online business before? Is it the technical overwhelm of it? Is it the time? Or is it just not knowing what to sell? Go ahead in the comments, let me know, and I'm going to personally jump in there and reply to every single one of you with a little extra tip to help you get past that hurdle. Now, the first big trap is the technical overload. Most people think they need to be some kind of programmer to win online. They spend months trying to build websites and connect complicated tools, and they never actually launch a single product. It's a waste of time. You don't need to build the car. You just need to know how to drive the car. That is what a done-for-you system is all about. The second trap is the information chaos. Have you ever noticed how some courses are 60 hours long? That's not to help you. It's to keep you confused so you feel like you need to buy their next big thing. You don't need more raw data. You need a digested blueprint that gives you just the facts so you can actually start earning. Finally, there's the zero profit margin gap. If you're selling physical stuff, you're losing money on shipping, storage, and ads before you even see a dime. With digital products, your costs are almost zero, which means you keep 100% of the profit, and that is the difference between working for a boss and actually owning your own future. The real secret is just keeping it simple. You need a plug-and-play system where the heavy lifting is already done. You want a model where you get to keep every dollar you make and you don't need a degree in computer science to set it up. When you combine automation with 100% profit margins, that is when you finally start seeing real freedom. And I want to let you know that you are not doing this by yourself. We have in the main community over 60,000 members who are already doing the same thing. That is the first picture on this screen right now. You get mentorship, you get weekly live trainings, and a whole group of people to support you. It's not just the product, it's a full ecosystem designed to make sure that you actually succeed this time around. And in actual fact, when you get the blueprint in that very same email, which I will show you in just a second, I'll also invite you to join my private VIP community. Let me show you how it actually works. Once someone enters the email at EmpireDigest.com, my system takes over completely. It sends the follow-ups, delivers the value, and guides them to the sales page all on its own. But instead of me just showing you a slide, let's go live. I'm going to pull my actual dashboard up and show you all the way from the beginning right up until the end, and I'm going to show you some more community results right now. Now on your screen right now, this is the main community. I want to show you quickly. On the bottom right hand side, you will see we've got over 60,400 members, or 60,040 members at this point in time. What I also want to share with you is when you click on the wins tab, and then I'm going to filter it, I'm going to set it to new. That means the latest posts show up first. As you can see, 6 hours ago, as you can see, it was posted, created June 7th, 2026 at 2:22 a.m. in the morning. This one was done, and where I'm based, that is why there's such a time difference. Now, these are all wins, my friend, and these are people having success. I want to show you Lulama, $400 during the live. Showing up is so magical. $700 in less than 24 hours. Show up tired, show up imperfect, show up scared, heartfelt with gratitude. These are all individuals making use of the same blueprint that I'm giving you access to today, my friend. The one valued at $997, you're getting access to it for absolutely free. And I'll show you now what you can do in order to, I'm going to show you the entire process you need to go through so that you can download yourself this free PDF formula blueprint, as well as watch the video that matches that blueprint. Right, another $300 for Lana Sykes. Here's one $900 program, upgraded to the $900 program, $100 first sell, $300 doing while attending the Mastermind Live event, $1,900. This is the lady Kristina in the first slide that I showed you who earned $1,900 while on vacation. And we can go on and on. $300 sell this week. And if I scroll down on the bottom right hand side, you will see we've got over 36,000 pages like this, and these are all verified results, meaning they've been verified by the admins that these are actual results. These are true results. It's not just people putting up posts. What you will also get access to is my own private VIP community. Now, this is my private, very own VIP community where I take you behind the curtains and I assist you and I give you extra information, extra training in order for you to build your very own digital empire online. And currently, I've got 1,145 members inside my community, and you can join it for absolutely free at this point in time. Make sure you do before I make it a paid community. Now you can click on the join group. All you need to do is fill out your details and you will be able to access for free. Now let me show you what process you're going to need to go through while making use of this blueprint. So firstly, in order to get the blueprint, you're going to click the very first link in the description below this video. It's going to take you to EmpireDigest.com. You will click the next step button. I'm the owner and founder of Empire Digest. It will bring you up to a page like this where you can discover the 2-hour per day workflow, the Freedom Formula blueprint that I've been talking about. Enter your name, enter your email address. You will then get to see this video immediately. What you will also receive is in your email inbox is this thing called your Freedom Formula blueprint inside. I want you to scroll down. You can watch this video right here, and then if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see attachments, and there is your Freedom Formula blueprint PDF that I was telling you about. Now, this blueprint right here goes hand in hand with this video right here. So make sure you open up the PDF and you watch this video at the same time. And when you're done and you click, yes, I'm ready to have a successful online business, you will then get presented with a page that looks similar to this. And then what you can do is you can just say yes to get started today and scroll through this entire page, my friend. There's multiple different options for you to select from. Now, before we wrap this up, I want you to quickly pause your video, read this disclaimer, and then let's continue along. So your final step is simple. So what you need to do now is click that first link in the description below this video, head over to EmpireDigest.com, enter your name, enter your email address, and claim your blueprint and join our community, my friend. Just remember to check your spam and promotions folder right away. I want to make sure that you get that Freedom Formula blueprint. I cannot wait to see you on the inside and help you build your online empire. Let's go.